everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, aka Budget Treasures, and here on my channel we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, and brand new home ownership, home decor, all that good stuff. We're over here just getting our lives together. We are adulting over here. And if that is something that you are interested in and you are adulting as well, I encourage you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell so that you know anytime that I upload a new video. I am so happy that you are here. You are adding to our community and you make us better. If you are a returning gem, you already know how we do. What's up, girl? How are you? I'm so excited that you have returned. You know, we've been vibing for a minute and you know you already make the community better. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you guys and appreciate you guys for viewing. Also give this video a thumbs up. Stop what you're doing right now. You guys got some call to actions, okay? That's what we call them. So I need you to like the video. I need you to subscribe if you're not subscribed. I need you to hit on the notification bell. If you are someone who watches my channel, you know, all the time, go ahead and subscribe, sis. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. It's free. But I thank you guys so much for your support. So let's hop in it. We are going to be stuffing our cash envelopes today. We're also going to be stuffing our sinking funds as well. And I'm also going to be unstuffing the envelopes that we used from the last paycheck. If you would like to know how I came up with any of these totals and how it fit in the budget, I encourage you to check out the video that I uploaded yesterday, which was the budget with me, and it was actually a workshop that showed how I paid my bills. So I definitely encourage you to check that out, but only after this video is over, okay? All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get vibing. Okay, so I am using the Filofax wallet here. It's a little beat up, but hey, I'm still gonna use it because it still works. And we call her Ruby. And then these envelopes that I have in here are envelopes that I created myself. I always get questions about my envelopes. Yes, I did create them. So first what we're going to do is empty out our change. I have a lot more change than this. It's under the seat of my car. My purse had fell over and I just haven't gotten the coins yet. So this is what we are going to be adding to our coin jar. So let's go ahead and add our coins to the jar.
By everything we made love upon the stars. I gave her Saturn rings. When she look into my eyes, I can't feel anything. Swear to God, I'm paralyzed. Your love is everything.
All right, so let's see what this says. It says it's $22 and $22.75. Even though it's a lot more than that in here, a lot of the times I just take the top off and put the coins in there. But I think I'm gonna start, you know, doing it correctly like I'm supposed to do it. All right, so we are unstuffing our on-the-go cash envelopes. So in my grocery envelope, let's see what we have left. Up in here. Okay, so we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 56, 57, 58. We have $59 left from groceries. Our eating out, we don't have anything left. Household, we have $5, $6, $7, actually a $5, $10, $11, $12 from household. From toiletries, we have 10, 15, 20, $26 left over. And then I think that is it. So we have a good chunk of leftover money here. So I saw a really cool thing on Jasmine's channel. Oh My Fro, and her name is Jasmine. So in her she uses, I don't know where the money comes from, because I'm just starting to kind of get back into YouTube, but she uses some money from somewhere to do her giveaways, and I thought that was so cool. So, you know, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I'm stealing your idea, Jasmine. And I have to figure out, I know that, you know, from my leftover money, I'm going to be using that to fund like giveaways and things that I do here on YouTube. And then for some saving challenges as well. But I am going to figure out how I'm going to for that challenge. So I have to figure it out, but you guys can give me some suggestions. I'm sure you guys watch her channel because she's pretty big here on YouTube. She has a really great channel. So if you know how she does it, leave it down in the comments. Or Jasmine, if you are watching, let me know, honey. Or some suggestions, you guys. I might do it off of my subscribers that have joined. I might do it off of the total view time. I just have to look at my analytics and see kind of what I want to tie it to. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up because it could possibly be off of the likes, not sure. But we will definitely check that out. I also might do it off of the amount of views that I get within the first hour. Because that's important. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know on the next video, okay? All right, so now we are going to start stuffing our envelopes right now. So for groceries, it's getting $100. For eating out, that's getting $50, and it's getting 2 20s and a 10. 20, 40, 50. So I have an eating out budget because sometimes I get very busy and I'm just really unable to cook. And so my normal budget for eating out was $150, so I just divided the two. I put $100 in groceries and then took the $50 and put that in eating out. Household is going to be getting $50 today, and that's just going to be getting a $50 bill. And then in toiletries is going to be getting $40, so 2 20s. And that is, oh no, we have one more. And then giving is going to be getting $10. So this is any additional giving that I might want to give to someone, or, you know, maybe if we have an extra offering at my church or something like that, that is what that is for. I'm going to start feeding that envelope. Now we are switching over to our sinking funds. So medical is going to get $5. And let's see what we have in medical so far. We have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95. We have $100 in medical. In auto care, we are going to be adding $25, so a 20 and a 5. 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 20, 40, 45, 50. So we got 150 in auto care. Car registration is going to be getting $15. You guys, I got my car, I paid my car registration and I still don't have my tags. I'm gonna have to figure out, I have to remember to take care of that. So for car registration, so now we have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, $45. Next is hair. Hair is gonna be getting $25. So a 20 and a 5. So this is 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, $75 in hair. Clothes is going to be getting $25. It's a 20 and a 5. You got 20, 40, 45, 50, $55 in clothes. I just cleared out this envelope, but there we go. And then next is HOA. HOA is going to be getting $140. So that's 100 here. And then $40. So HOA has 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3 in HOA. Next is going to be trash. Trash is going to be getting $16. Alright, so let's count trash. My trash is going to be due soon. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. My trash bill, I think it's like 90 something dollars. So we're going to be paying that soon. Home maintenance is going to be getting $20. This is a new envelope, you guys, that I'm starting to fund. 2040, and we have $60 in this so far. Next is wedding. This one I'm not adding anything to it. Job petty cash is going to be $10. This is a new envelope as well. Next is JW. This is an envelope special to me. This envelope is going to be getting $20. All right, next is YouTube, and YouTube is going to be getting $20. This is a new envelope as well. Got a lot of new envelopes, you guys. Wigs is going to be getting $20 as well. This is another new envelope. They could have gave me some better bills, you guys. I don't like the bills they gave me. Mother's and Father's Day isn't going to get anything. I'm actually going to change this to gifts. So holidays is going to get $50. And it's going to get a $50 bill. So we got $70 here. And then birthdays is going to be getting $25. So we got a 20 and a 5. And we have, let's count. So we have 50, 70, 90, $110, $115 for birthdays. Got to get my mom something. Her birthday's coming. Well, her birthday passed already. Car wash is going to be getting $15. So a 10 and a 5. So this is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $5 in car wash. I'll be getting my car washed soon. Nails is going to be getting $40. I'll be getting my nails done as well soon. I cannot wait to get my nails done, you guys. Ooh, I'm having withdrawals with my nails. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120. This is more than just my nails. It's going to be everything, like my nails, my pedicure, my waxing. So this is like everything. It's not just nails. And then next is investing. Investing is going to be getting $25. I'm still going to be investing, you guys. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. I guess I'm just really confused. That's why I haven't really like shot the gun yet, because I'm so confused on how it works. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200. So we got $200 for investing. I also will be investing a part of my emergency fund as well. And then beauty counter is going to be getting $40. All right, so that's 20, 40, $60 for beauty counter. This is for my skincare stuff here. So I don't have anything to put this leftover money in, so I'm just gonna put it right here, and I will, oh, what is this? Oh, is it anything in here? Nope. So I'm gonna put my leftover money in here, and then I will figure out what to do with this leftover money. In the meantime, I'm just gonna put it in this little envelope right here, and then the next time I'll let you guys know how we're gonna do that. But you guys, that is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you do subscribe. Make sure that you also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps out my channel. It helps out the community, and it helps us to continue to grow. So thank you so much. I got some really exciting things coming up, so please stay tuned. I got some really exciting things coming up. Let me just tell you, I'm stoked. Okay, so thank you so much, and hey, you guys, go be great. Peace out.
I just wrote this one today too. Told her when I get rich, I'll buy everything. We made love up on the stars, I gave her 7 rings.